Hey friends, today we will study an example of one function of random variable. The given function is y equal to g of x, and the value of g of x is equal to 1 for x less than minus 1, and value of gx is equal to x for the value of x varies from minus 1 to 1, and its value is 0.5 when x is greater than equal to 1. And we are also given that f of x is a uniform function from minus 2 to 2. So we will plot this we will graphically represent it. So on graphical representation we will get this, that it is a uniform function from minus 2 to 2. F of x is a uniform function from minus 2 to 2. Now the given conditions that are given, that is the value of g of x at various values of x, we are also going to plot it. On plotting we are getting this, that is, for it is value of y is 1 for x less than 1, and y is equal, that is y, that is g of x is equal to x for values of x from minus 1 to 1, and its value is 0.5. Value of y or g of x we can say is 0.5 when x is greater than equal to 1. We will divide this for finding the density function. We will divide this into three regions: from minus 2 to minus 1, one region; another region would be minus 1 to 1; and then from 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Then first we will calculate the density function of the first region, that is from minus 1 to 1. As we can see that in this region the value of y varies from minus 1 to 1, as the value of x varies from minus 1 to 1. So it is a one to one mapping basically. And while mapping the values of x from minus 1 to 1 in this region, we will get this whole, will map it here, and we will get the probability, and the probability of that area would be 1 by 4, as y belongs to minus 1 to 1. So for region 1 we are getting the density as 1 by 4. Now we will move on to the next region, that is region 2. In this the value of y is 1 for the values of x from varies from minus 2 to minus 1. So while mapping these values of x that varies from minus 2 to minus 1, here we will get this region, and the probability of this region is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 because as it is a uniform function from minus 2 to 2, and if we equally divide it into 4 parts, so the probability of selecting a particular region would become 1 out of 4, so that is 1 by 4. So while writing the PDF for the second region, we would write 1 by 4 del y minus 0. Y minus 0.5. 0.5 because, sorry, that is, we'll write here 1 by 4 del y minus 1 for the second region. And similarly, while doing for the third region, we would get the density function as 1 by 4 by del bracket y minus 0.5, and that would be this region 1 by 4. So now the density function would be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 del y minus 0.5 plus 1 by 4 del y minus 1. This is a small PDF, that is probability density function, and we will do the plotting it afterwards. Now we will calculate the probability distribution function. So we know that we can get the PDF, that is capital PDF, by integration of small PDF. So we would now integrate it. Writing the small PDF, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 del y minus 0.5 plus 1 by 4 del y minus 1 dy. Taking the constant 1 by 4 outside, the integration symbol, we'll get 1 by 4 minus 1 to y 1 plus del y minus 0.5 plus del y minus 1 dy. On integration, we would get, that is capital PDF, that is f y of y, it would be y1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is unit step function, u stands for unit step function, y minus 0.5 plus 1 by 4 u of minus 1. So now this is the probability distribution function, and this was the probability density function. Now we'll plot them into the graph. There, I have already made the graph. Now I will show you how to plot it. So the probability, that is the value, and it is discrete, will while plotting it is a discrete plotting, so at 0 we are getting from minus 1 to 1, the value is 1 by 4. At 0.5 it is also 1 by 4, and similarly at 1 it is, the value of y is 1 by 4. Now we will plot the probability distribution function. We are given that from minus 1 to 1, that is y is equal to x, that is a straight line. So we will first draw the line. Now on while calculating that is capital PDF, we got the values y plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 u y minus 0.5 and plus 1 by 4 u y minus 1. So we'll get the spikes at 0.5 and 0.1 of magnitude 1 by 4 each. So we start plotting. Now from the first one, we are plotting it here, that with a slope of 1 by 4 to 1 by 4 it would go, with a point value of 1 by 4 on the y of y and a slope of 1 by 4. Now at point it would go linearly till 3 by 8. At 0.5, that is on the y axis, it would have a spike of 1 by 4 until it becomes, so adding 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4 we will get 5 by 8, and it will have a spike till there. From there onwards it will move till 1 linearly, and at 1 again it would have a spike of 1 by 4, as we can see it from here. So then it would reach 1, and all these values at 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, we can get by adding the individual small PDFs. We will get these values. Now we are also required to find the mean, that is E of y. By definition, we can, that is a by simple method. We are not doing by the b minus a method, we are doing by a simpler method. So that means the integration of y into f y of y dy. So minus infinite to infinite, putting the limits minus 1 to 1, and putting the value of y into small fy of y, that is this we can split them individually and solve, and on splitting individually we can split into these three terms and integrate individually, and when we split we will see that it is an odd function, so its integration over a closed integral would become 0, and for the and on solving, on integrating the del functions with a particular linear function that are multiplying the y inside, it would be the value of the function at that point, so it would become constant is same as 0.5 plus 1, it is 1 of here, which is 1 by 4.5 plus 1 by 4 of 1, so taking and here it becomes 0, so that is taking 1 by 4 constant, it will become 0.5 plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 4
into 1.5. 1.5 by 4. On simplification, we get as 3 by 8.